Hey, I'm Jake, and for this video, I'm going to be sharing a screen recording video of how I make my musical ideas on GarageBand on an iPad. So recently, it's occurred to me that I've been using my iPad quite extensively for my business and for just jotting down musical ideas, and I think it's great. Plugins are a lot cheaper, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so now we've done the chorus idea. I'm gonna lay down vocal ideas, and then we'll start arranging, and we'll work on the verse next.
Copy, Texas to karate, bitches tout equal, life is such a pouncy. Wonder what the scheme is, what do I believe in? If we don't get the dolo, then we sliding on your DM for the good views. Copy, Texas to karate, bitches tout equal, life is such a pouncy. Wonder what the scheme is, what do I believe in? If we don't get the dolo, then we sliding on your DM for the good views. I just wanna feel like I'm a new. Never wanna be one of those used to. Look to be somebody to get used to, yeah. Copy, Texas to karate, bitches tout equal, life is such a pouncy. Wonder what the scheme is, what do I believe in? If we don't get that dolo, then we sliding on your DM for the good view. I just wanna feel like I'm a new. Never wanna be one of those used to. Look to be somebody to get used to, yeah.
Okay, so that was the draft idea. Enjoyed it. One thing that I try to focus on is making sure that I don't spend time on details when I'm working on an iPad. I just sketch out the chord progression, the bass line, the chord drums, the chord groove, and maybe jot down a little vocal idea. I then export it to Logic Pro X and begin working on more of the details. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video and take care, especially during this lockdown.